To send an ACH payment through Chime, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to have a Chime account and the Chime mobile app. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one on the Chime website or through the mobile app. Once you have your account set up, open the Chime mobile app and log into your account. Navigate to the Move Money section, where you will find the option to send money. Select the Send Money option and choose the account you want to send money from, such as your Chime spending account. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's information, including their name and account details. For an ACH transfer, you will need the recipient's routing number and account number. You can find this information on a check or by contacting the recipient's bank. Enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method as ACH. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the amount. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The ACH payment will be processed and the funds will be transferred to the recipient's account. This process typically takes a few business days, but the exact time frame may vary depending on the recipient's bank and the ACH network. It is essential to double-check the recipient's account information to avoid any errors or delays. You should also be aware of any fees associated with ACH transfers. Although Chime does not charge fees for these transactions, by following these steps, you can easily send an ACH payment through Chime. This method is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and verify the recipient's information to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.